Elastic Path provides support for a comprehensive set of promotion conditions and actions through Promotions Builder. This provides the levers that a business needs to incentivize purchases, to expand share of wallet, to offer discounts to move excess inventory, or execute contact pricing rules for pre-negotiated discounts. Now let's take a look at a promotion. We'll take a look at the September excess tools inventory 10% off. We've set the start and end date for the entire month of September. We've assigned a priority for any stackable promotions it might be compared against. We've enabled it and marked it as coupon driven. We've given a description and designated the currency that will be evaluated for any amount conditions in our offers. Here in catalogs, we can actually designate this just to be specific to certain accounts if we like, and say this is going to be restricted to the Elite Hardware catalog and to the loyalty, or actually we'll say ProBuild Supplies catalog. So those accounts are served these specific unique catalogs and will restrict the offer just to those two accounts. Here, when we get to our conditions, we can do all or any. We'll leave it at all. I've set the subtotal to 0, but I would like to incentivize a larger purchase in order to qualify for this discount. So let's go ahead and edit this. I'm going to go ahead and include that you must spend, let's say, at least 100 euros, actually 10,000 euros. And let's suppose that we want it to be just for a certain category, you have to have that amount of spend. So we'll make it just for that tools category. And now we're complete. Let's continue on to our actions. Here we're giving that 10% off that same category above, but we can go ahead and exclude certain items. I do have a hot selling tool that I would like to exclude from this, so I'm going to go ahead and exclude that product. Same thing here, I can view the list, find my particular item. I know that it's a DeWalt branded item, and we'll see it's actually my laser level here. So we'll go ahead and exclude that, and we're done. We have custom fields if we want to have additional promotional terms you want to define, or promotion exclusion conditions we want to define. And if we're all set, we can go ahead and save this. We also provide easy ways to duplicate this if we'd like to create another promotion based off these same criteria in the future. Let's look at one more example of a promotion, this time one that's targeted at a particular B2B account. Here we also have the start and end date qualifiers, and we've enabled this promotion. But here you can see we've selected the signed in shopper must be associated with the account tag gold. We can use our account tags, which help us group together qualifying accounts, and we can select, in this case, things like gold. We may have bronze or silver. We could have different account types. We can use these tags for any number of classification purposes to then target specific B2B accounts with offers on their order. Here we can see we're giving an entire cart total discount of 15%. And again, that rounds out this particular promotion. There's lots of different conditions we could support. Again, we've just given a sample here, but you could see that we're able to provide a wide range of incentivized behaviors on the site that translate into offers of discounted orders or free shipping, all as part of the promotions builder.